You can do it by phone, email, or Twitter. Fresh details in the controversy swirling around former CBC radio announcer Jian Ghomeshi. Tonight, confirmation that a Toronto employment lawyer will lead the independent investigation at the CBC. Amanda Ferguson with the kind of claims that may go under the microscope.
Numerous people coming forward is I've been hearing rumors about this guy for years.
I'm Jian Ghomeshi. Welcome to Q's YouTube channel.
She interned on Jian Ghomeshi's show Q for 6 weeks. And when Liz Fowler returned to her hometown CBC radio station, she alleges a manager joked with her, asking if Ghomeshi tried to sleep with her. Fowler is angry the CBC may have knowingly put her in that position. She spoke to us today in our Montreal station.
People have said over the years they have heard that Mr. Ghomeshi has behavioral issues and, when it comes to crossing boundaries with women.
Those rumors have yet to be validated and no charges have been laid in this case. Ghomeshi has never commented on his workplace conduct, yet it's due to these rumors the CBC says it is taking action to resolve any complaints involving Ghomeshi. This afternoon, CBC announced they have hired the leading authority on workplace harassment, employment lawyer Janice Rubin, who works out of this downtown office building. She declined to comment to us today, but her colleagues in the industry admit she has a difficult job ahead.
It hasn't been proven yet, but if it is proven, then CBC could have significant liability because of that.
Employment lawyer Stuart says management has a legal responsibility to investigate as soon as a claim is brought forward.
They've got to show that an investigation took place, the alleged complainant was interviewed, the alleged perpetrator was interviewed, any witnesses were interviewed. You can't just ignore it or say, well, just deal with it.
Yesterday, CBC announced Q's longtime executive producer is taking time off. This after a Toronto Star investigation alleges an employee came to him with allegations of sexual harassment involving Ghomeshi, and nothing was done.
Just one at a time was so much easier.
Meanwhile, Toronto Chief Bill Blair would not say how many women have contacted them claiming wrongdoing, but again today, he urged anyone with information to come forward.
I want to encourage them to come forward. I want to assure them that they'll be treated with respect and with compassion.
With the Chief of Police now asking for even more alleged victims to come forward, the question is now when investigators will want to speak to Ghomeshi himself, whose whereabouts are currently unknown. Outside of police headquarters, Amanda Ferguson, City News.
Despite a valiant effort by Toronto